Do you know about racial discrimination? From a legal point of view, everyone is entitled to a fair and equal protection. These fundamental rights have been enshrined under Article 8 of the Federal Constitution as may be specified in the Constitution. Malaysia is a multiracial country with diverse languages and cultural backgrounds, consisting of more than 80 different ethnic groups in the Peninsula, Sabah and Sarawak. In a human rights context, any form of discrimination towards a person is considered a human rights violation. Did you know Malaysia became a member state of the United Nations in 1957? Every United Nations member state has a responsibility for ensuring the protection of human rights within the country through the Universal Declaration of Human Rights (UDHR). Therefore, the Human Rights Commission of Malaysia (Suhakam) was established by the Malaysian Parliament under the Human Rights Commission of Malaysia Act 1999, Act 597 on the 9th of September 1999 for the protection and promotion of human rights in Malaysia as set out in the UDHR, but provided that the provisions specified are in line with the Federal Constitution. We as Malaysians must uphold the principles of the Rukun Negara, a national ideology that was declared on the 31st of August 1970. The spirit and values of Rukun Negara is not just to be read and remembered, but it has to be practiced by all Malaysians. It represents the basis for racial unity that is essential to ensure prosperity and stability of the country. Let's learn about racial discrimination. Under international law, the term racial discrimination shall mean any distinction, exclusion, restriction, or preference based on race, color, descent, or national or ethnic origin which has the purpose or effect of nullifying or impairing the recognition, enjoyment, or exercise on an equal footing of human rights and fundamental freedoms in the political, economic, social, cultural, or any other field of public life. In general, racial discrimination can occur if the impact can cause undermining effect towards the fundamental rights of a person resulting from any form of inappropriate and unreasonable action to any group that is differentiated by four main elements, namely race, skin color, descent, nationality or ethnic origin. Malaysia's participation in international treaties is one of the steps in addressing issues of discrimination and to respect and protect the rights of the oppressed. Until now, Malaysia has acceded to three core international treaties, namely the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women (CEDAW), the Convention on the Rights of the Child (CRC), and the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities (CRPD). Racial discrimination can occur in various situations. For example, selection criteria of employment based on race, color, descent, or ethnicity, discrimination in the right to adequate housing in relation to renting or buying a house, race-based hate speech towards a person on social media. As concerned citizens, we can play a role in combating racial discrimination through encouraging inclusive participation consisting of people of different races, empowering yourself in human rights education, reporting any human rights violation to Suhakam. Let us stand up against racial discrimination by expressing our love and respect towards achieving prosperity and national unity. For more information, please contact Suhakam